If you can give us an overview of like the role of Field Solutions, who they are, and how they support our customers and end users.
Yeah, sure. So we realize that when you're looking for a direct view LED, it's a huge investment. You want it to look good and perform well. It's something that's meant to impress your audience. So we do have a team of field solution architects, and their primary role is really to, although as easy as our DV LEDs are to install and operate, you might need a helping hand every now and then. And that's what our field solution architects are here for. So they can help you on a pre and post sales basis and do everything from helping you design out the product, pick the product, making sure it's the right product for the room that you're trying to install it in, as well as giving you recommendations on which product to pick. And then during the installation process, they'll certainly be on call and available for you to ask any questions in case you hit any hurdles during installation. So really, they're there from end to end to really help you not just pick the product, but get the product on the wall and then ultimately impress you once you have it up.